stand outside and sweat hot. So anyway, we're at a place called White Park. I've been here once before with another photographer friend, and there's a waterfall here. Actually, it's more of a kind of an overflow spillway from the city's water reservoir, but nonetheless it's pretty cool. It looks pretty nice. So it's dance night again, so I have a little bit of time to kill, so I figured we'd just come up here and walk around the trails and see if it's busy or not. If it's pretty busy, I'll probably just explore around and see what kind of landscape or wildlife pictures or something I can see. If it's not that crowded and I'm comfortable setting my camera up on a tripod and walking away, maybe I'll talk about taking some advanced self-portraits. So we're gonna walk around and I'll see you on the trail. Like I said, hot, 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 hot. I hear running water, so I think I'm getting close, which is good because I'm running out of time to have to turn back and go pick up Haley. Fortunately, I'm not too far away from her. I can hear the water. I think it's just down over this hill, and run down, snap a few pictures, and head back. So here we are. Looks like something out of a jungle. There's a couple people making out down over the hill. I try not to get them in pictures, but here we are. Man, that was a big hill to come up. So I don't know how good the audio would be when I was down by the water, but when I was shooting at the waterfall, there was a couple, a guy and a girl down in the water there, and so I was, minding my own, taking pictures, and then I just hollered at them. I said, "Hey, I'm a photographer, you want me to take your pictures?" And they said, "Sure," which probably really made the evening for me, because that's what I really like to do. I really like taking pictures of people. I like doing portraiture. It's a lot better than just taking pictures of you know, sunsets and waterfalls. That stuff's fun too, but I really like to be creative with pictures. So we'll see how they turn out. They said I could put them up in the end of the video, so I'll post all the winners, all the best ones right at the end. So it's time to go get Haley from dance class now, so we'll see y'all in the next one.